Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Kwiz Application with Admin Panel using Firebase. Now we see the abstract. The Kwiz Application project developed to overcome the time-consuming problem of manual system. Apart from that, in the current system, checking the answer sheets after taking test wastes the examiner time and the student time. So this application will check the correct answer and save the examiner time and save the waiting list of wait for the result in the student's side, and carrying the examination in an effective manner, and the users which are use this system do not need to high computing knowledge, and also the system will inform them will entering invalid data. Now we see the admin panel flow diagram. First of all, admin panel. In the admin panel we have the user ID password as a default because for the security reason. Then we go to the main page of the admin panel. We have the two options. One is question, add the questions, question list. Another one the user list. In the question list we have add the questions, or view the questions, or update the questions, or delete the questions. In these options are available in the question page. On the user list, user page, we have the user view the user list of the view the student or user list. View the example, view her phone number, her username and user password. All the lists are so in this page, all the student page. Then go to the user page, user app. In this user app have login screen or register. If you have the login username password means directly login, otherwise new students means register. Then in using email, password and mobile number and the name. First page in the start quiz. In the start quiz page, we click the start quiz page means automatically load the question from the Firebase. If you click, if you done after we completing the question and answer, is go to the result page. In this result page, we saw the mark of your and marks of total out of how many marks you get it. And if you share the mark, you have share the result to your teachers. And then setting page. In this setting page we have the profile page, profile, terms and conditions, about us and logout. In this profile we have your names, your mail ID, your phone numbers, all this has in the profiles, and the profile picture also having in the profiles. In the terms and conditions, if you want the terms and conditions, all the details is in the terms and conditions. And about us, if you Instagram ID, that all the details are about in the about us. Then press logout means auto logout. That's all. Logout for the app. That's all. In this quiz program, we first of all open the quiz app. In this quiz app, this is first of all go to the admin login. This is the user login. We go to the admin login. In this admin login, click the button admin login button. In the admin login, username is default, username and password is the default for the admin. Username is admin, password is admin123, and press the login. If this is the list of the all questions, we have if you want to add the question means click the plus and question number, enter the question number 5, then enter the questions, choose the correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? If your first option is correct means 1, if the second option correct means 2, that like, then submit your add your questions, click add questions, toast message or so in add questions, then press back. Is all the questions view in the sample question 5s are view. So if you want to edit means click, then double P, we put the double P, then click update, question update successfully, sample was changing the. If you want to delete means if you press the delete button, I swear you want to delete, yes, delete, then it's going, and then this is the admin page. In this, if you want to see the user list, go to the click the option menu and press the user list, and is all the users showing this as all the users are showing this mobile number and user name. Then click logout. If you have the register the mail ID means new user sign up. Example name is the, we will first of all we try the name, then press sign up. It sign up and go to the pages, in the main pages. If the start quiz means if you quiz start question 1, which one answer is correct, I don't know, simply click answer 1, option 2, option 3, then press enter. You corrected, your score is 3 out of 4. If you retake means retake the question. If you want share means share the button. In this emulator we have no apps WhatsApp like, so here it's not showing. If in your real mobile you have the showing all the options of WhatsApp message in this type. Then back, sorry, then settings. In the settings we have the profile. In this profile we have all the details, names and mails and mobile number. If you want to change the profile image, choose picture. We have no images like right now. Okay, wait a minute, I take some picture. In this page choose a picture. If you choose picture, automatically go to into your internal storage and click the image, take the image to this page, and if you want upload, click upload. Your profile page is start to upload. Wait a minute, it's loading our profile. Yeah, it's getting our profile. Then go back. If you want terms and conditions, if you editing in the string menu, it's in this app. If you whatever you want to your terms and condition, it's auto I enter in this place. And about us also same. If you want Instagram ID, in your Instagram ID in your website, all the details are in put in this place. Then press logout means go to the logout. That's all.